Samsung usually unveils its flagship Galaxy S series smartphones in January or February, but this time, the rumor mill around the Galaxy S26 series has already exploded with leaks, surprises, and some unexpected twists. Right now, Samsung's lineup under the S25 tag includes five phones: the regular S25, the S25 Plus, the S25 Ultra, the slimmer S25 Edge, and the more affordable S25 FE. And honestly, if you thought five phones were already too many for a single series, apparently Samsung might be thinking the same. A few months ago, several reports hinted that Samsung was planning a major shakeup. Just like Apple, they were considering discontinuing the Plus variant due to its poor sales record, possibly limiting the next Unpacked event to just three models: the Base, the Ultra, and the Edge. It sounded bold, but for that plan to work, the S25 Edge would have to perform better than the S25 Plus. However, according to a recent report from the Korean outlet ELEC, that might not be the case. The Edge doesn't seem to be surpassing the Plus in sales, and because of that, Samsung has reportedly resumed work on the Plus variant again. A component industry insider also told ELEC that Samsung is developing four different types of OLED panels for the S26 lineup, and is still uncertain whether the Edge will fully replace the Plus. And that's not all. There's another major twist. The base variant might get a complete rebranding and could be called the Galaxy S26 Pro. Yes, most leakers are already referring to it by that name, even though it's not yet confirmed. Adding to the excitement, Samsung might also take a design cue from Apple this year. Apple recently introduced a new rectangular camera bump on the iPhone 17, and it looks like Samsung could be moving in a similar direction. Early renders of the Galaxy S26 lineup show that the S26 Pro, the base model, might feature a sleek vertical bump with three cameras. The S26 Edge could go for a bold, end-to-end horizontal bump, similar to what we see on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, with two cameras. And the S26 Ultra? It's expected to carry its signature powerhouse look, with three cameras arranged vertically and one placed off to the side. And if that wasn't enough to get fans talking, Samsung might also borrow Apple's newly introduced cosmic orange color for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Imagine that. Samsung's next Ultra glowing in a bold cosmic orange finish. It's different, it's daring, and it might just become the standout color of 2026.